Hello everybody. How to remove duplicates with Google Sheets. Check it out. I have this list. I go to data, data cleanup, remove duplicates. And I'll say that the data has either row, this one, and I'll tell that the only column I want to analyze is the column A, the runner. Remove duplicates. Then you see, Google Sheets checks the list and removes all the duplicates with the same runner. If I make undo, I could do first here, data, create a filter. I could order them, for example, sort set to A. So I would have the runner with maximum laps in the list, and there I could do again the data, cleanup, remove duplicates, hit the row, check out only the runner, remove. And this is the final list.